Hey viewers, Swagginger here, and welcome to the introduction to the 2015 Cleveland Cyclewerks Heist build. So this is the bike as it currently sits. I call it Tangrisnir, which translated means Snarler, and the exhaust note is pretty much the reason for that. It's got a really nice snarl to it, especially now with this beautiful new pipe, which I got as part of the general overall upgrade kit from a fella called Michael B. That's BEE. You find him on Facebook if you've got one of these bikes. If you've got a Sky Team Ace, if you've got a smaller kind of up to 250 displacement single cylinder road engine, he's probably got a performance kit for it that'll bring out the inner beast in it. So a little bit about the bike, I suppose. It's a 2015 Cleveland Cyclewerks Heist. It is not stock anymore. It was pretty stock when I got it. It had those Z bars on it, but I think they were bought from new anyway, so I think it was kind of supplied from the dealer with those. But I didn't like the way that I had to sit forward for those, so I got myself some 12-inch apes and extended the wires, cut the cords and soldered them together. It isn't the neatest wrapping job for sure, and that's something that I'm going to be looking at. So the and of course this shit to keep the bars from slipping, because chrome bars do that. So part of the upgrade kit, I've got a new carb, an Oco carb, with a new air filter and a block-off plate so I could remove all the emissions crap that used to sit there. I think I'll either put something on that bracket or just take it off entirely. The new header pipe, which actually did crack, I'm not sure how it happened, but anyway, a friend of mine was able to weld it up for me. It's just bare, as you can see at the moment. I think it's like painted silver or something. I'm definitely going to cover it at some point, but I'm not sure with which color. And the turbo muffler on the end, I just fashioned a little bracket for it to attach it to where the stock exhaust attached. And of course there's a little a filter just for the removal of the evap, just so I wasn't leaving an open hole. There's a new CDI in there, new plug, as well as a new cap. So really, this build is going to be a lot about kind of general maintenance. I've got some new indicators to go on the back, because these ones, I mean, they're notoriously flimsy. That's just a tape-up job. I've got some bullet ones, and I'm going to change them over. I'd also like to get a license plate holder and rear light off the axle here, so I can just bob that rear fender a little bit. Moving on, obviously the chain's shit, and the rear sprocket's pretty fucking sharp, so they'll both need to be replaced. The front sprocket, part of the performance upgrade, it's got a few more teeth on it, so that's new. So yeah, I definitely need to be replacing the chain in the rear soon, so they can all wear together. I had to get a new battery in it when I got it. That was fine. So it's a ridiculously comfortable ride. It's my daily ride at the moment, that I think I mentioned in my other video. The kickstart's kind of an affectation. I just think it looks cool, but you know, that's pretty much why we do anything with these things, isn't it? So I'll start it up for you and see if I can get it to go first kick. So as you can hear, it sounds really nice, but this new carb, I've not got it to work properly yet. So the first video I'm going to do on this build is actually going to be going right back to the basics. I'm going to do my valve clearances, and then I'm going to reset the carb. I'm just going to dial the mixture screw all the way into a soft seat and then just out enough so that it doesn't stall, and I'm going to do my tune from there. But yeah, the first step is to get in here and do these valve clearances. I love the engine on this bike. I love that it's a overhead valve engine. It's ridiculously easy to work on. And once I've got this carb dialed in, I mean, I'm getting more power out of it now, but there's still more to give. So yeah, that'll be my first video on the Snarler. So stay tuned. And yeah, catch you later.